Hello and welcome to this tutorial dedicated to the installation and configuration of SESAR, the ideal solution for backing up and automating processes related to your communications with secure exchanges. Before starting the installation, ensure that your machine meets the following prerequisites. It must run on Windows, have at least 8 GB of RAM, a stable internet connection, and be equipped with .NET Framework version 4.8 or higher. The required disk space will depend on the number and size of files to be processed as well as the retention period. Once these elements are verified, download the latest version of SESAR from the official Secure Exchanges website. Before activating SESAR, you need to create a dedicated SESAR user. To do this, log into the Secure Exchanges online portal and check that you have the necessary rights to add a user. This user must have a valid email address different from that of the administrator, as they will receive all notifications and alerts related to the service, as well as the instructions for the initial configuration of a new SESAR instance. Once the user is created, assign them a SESAR license via the user management interface. Once the user is ready, you can proceed with the SESAR configuration. Open the SESAR configuration interface and start by defining a unique configuration name. Be careful, if you manage multiple instances, each name must be different. Next, select a temporary folder where files will be downloaded before processing, as well as a folder where data at rest will be stored. Note that stored files will be secured in this location. We also recommend enabling local encryption for additional protection. Then, click Generate to produce the necessary files. A password will be displayed on the screen, note it carefully, as it will be required later. 2 files will then be automatically downloaded. The next step is to activate and start the SESAR service. An email will be sent to the SESAR address to confirm the activation of the service. To open this email and validate the activation, use the previously noted password. It is essential to complete this step within 10 minutes, otherwise, the process will expire and must be restarted. Once activation is confirmed, place the downloaded files in the SESAR /installer /new instance installation folder. These files will automatically disappear after 1 minute. Once activation is successful, an instance.json file will be sent by email only to the SESAR address. Administrators will not receive this file, so it is essential for the SESAR user to store it securely, for example, in KeePass. Finally, to open the instance.json file, the password can be found in the SESAR log file. You need to check SESAR /trace_month.log and look for the line indicating password to unlock the message. This password will allow you to unlock the instance.json file and access the encryption keys. Once these steps are completed, SESAR is ready to use. It couldn't be simpler. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.